Annabelle and I am from Nkauj. It has always been my passion to dance ever since I was a little kid. I also like it because it brings me closer to my culture.
Hi, my name is Emma and I'm from Nkauj. Dance means a lot to me. I feel happy and excited to go there because I get to perform and I get to have fun.
Hi, my name is Madeline and I'm from Jacob. I like dance because I get to see my dance sisters and I like to come to dance to keep my culture alive.
Hi, my name is Helena Hearn and I'm 12 years old and I'm from Jacob. Since dancing, I have become more mature and more patient with myself. My dance teacher has always been pushing me to the limits and I'm grateful for them.
Hi, my name is Parker Lee. I've been dancing with Taekwondo for 2 years, but I've been dancing for 3 years with Nkauj Hnub Dance Academy. I like dancing with Nkauj Hnub Dance Academy because they include every dancer in the academy and they have taught me how to be confident and love each other. I have created fun bonds with other girls in the academy and in my dance team.